Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply a tourist visa to Spain. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, Spain is part of Schengen area. So you may not need a visa to travel to Spain because if you are from a country, for example, USA or Canada, where you can go to any Schengen area for tourism purposes visa free, then it's fine. But if you're from a country, let's say India, then you need to apply for it. So how you are going to do? So first of all, you need to open the website of the embassy or consular mission, which is going to cover your area. So, for example, if you're from India, I have opened this page from Spanish Embassy New Delhi website. So, under consular services, they have this Schengen visa. If I click on it, I got this information. Okay, and when it comes to Schengen visa, like it's very important that where you apply. Okay, because depending upon your entry of the first member state, this is how you're gonna apply. So here they have given you information what you need to do. First, fill up this form, photograph, passport, travel medical insurance, minimum 30,000 euros, same that we see for all. Payment, okay. Documents, proof of residence, like the documents may vary. And where you are going to submit, it is given to BLS. Here they have outsourced it to BLS, okay. Most of the other Schengen countries I have seen, they have given it to VFS in India, but here they have given for BLS. So when you're applying for Spanish visa, you have to apply through BLS. So let's go through and see what do they have. Okay. So Schengen visa, when you apply, tourist visa, they have given visa fee. This is INR. BLS service fee is also there. Cash and demand draft. Okay. Documents, what you need. So based on location where you apply, it varies. For example, document checklist, Delhi jurisdiction, for Mumbai jurisdiction and other things they have given. Okay. Let's say if I'm applying at Delhi, if I open Delhi, oh, I can translate it. Oh. Okay, they have already given it over here. We have gone through that. BLS. Yeah, this is what we need. Tourist visa, if you see. Yeah. One application form, minor other document, photograph, proof of travel insurance, detail of the trip, flight booking, hotel reservation, evidence of funds. Same thing that we see for other Schengen visas as well. So yeah, now we are clear about this as well. Photo specifications we know. Download it from okay. Application form. So it's available in English, Spanish, authorization forms, declaration form, courier form. So these things are pretty simple, but we'll go through this application form. Okay. Photo, this is for official use, so don't worry about it. Name, surname, date of birth, nationality, sex, marital in the status, national identity number, travel document. Same thing that they have asked, occupation, member state of main destination, first entry. This matters when you apply for Schengen visa, number of entries required, biometric information, phone number details, and at the end, place date and signature. So pretty simple, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. And just before we end, next step is gonna be you're gonna apply, like book your appointment, and from here you're gonna apply for the next. So Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Guys, before we end up, uh, the place that you are going to visit is going to be very important based on your location. Okay. So, for example, see, know your jurisdiction. If you are living in these places, you have to visit Embassy of Spain. If you live this place, you have to visit Consulate General of Spain. This you need to understand because based on your actual place of residence, this is gonna vary. So, so select passport issue place. If you go through this, current residence, let's say you're in Delhi. Duration at stay more than 6 months. Select your center where you're gonna apply. Appointment category, email account, and from here you can file. This is how you can schedule appointment as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.